10 years ago, $300 bought you a beast. It bought you a GPU that could handle anything you threw at it for years. Today, it buys you an insult. Welcome to 2026, where the mid-range graphics card is officially dead, and NVIDIA and AMD are the ones who pulled the trigger. If you are thinking about buying a brand new RTX 4060 or an RX 7600 today, stop. Just stop for a second. You are about to walk into a trap that was carefully set by corporate marketing teams to ensure you keep spending money every 2 years. Today, we're exposing the death of the mid-range and why your wallet is the target. Let's look back at the legend, the GTX 1060. When it launched, it cost $249. For that price, you got a card that could play every single AAA game at ultra settings with ease. It wasn't just a budget choice, it was the people's champion. It lasted for years. Some of you are probably still using it. Now look at what $300 gets you in 2026. You get 8 gigabytes of VRAM. You get a 128-bit memory bus that struggles the moment you increase the resolution. And you get a piece of hardware that is designed to fail. Yes, you heard me right, designed to fail. NVIDIA will tell you, but look, we have DLSS 3, we have frame generation. Don't fall for it. Frame generation is nothing but a band-aid on a broken leg. They are using AI to create fake frames because the actual hardware, the silicon you paid for, is too weak to do the job on its own. They are selling you software tricks to hide the fact that they cut corners on the hardware. And here's the dirty secret about those fake frames. They need VRAM to work. So you have a card with only 8 gigabytes of memory, and you turn on a feature that consumes more memory just to get a playable frame rate. It's a paradox. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in the bottom by pouring water faster. The mid-range used to mean quality for the price. Now mid-range means planned obsolescence. Corporate greed has shifted the goalposts. They want the real gaming experience to start at $800. If you spend less, they want you to feel the stutter. They want you to see the blurred textures. They want you to be frustrated so that next year you give up and buy the flagship. But we don't have to play their game. In my last videos, we talked about the 1080 Ti and the 8 gigabyte VRAM scam. The response was insane. Hundreds of you shared stories about how your old cards are still outperforming the new mid-range junk. And you're right. If you have $300 today, the smartest thing you can do is stay away from the new shelf. Look at the used market. Look for the RTX 3060 with 12 gigabytes of memory. Look for the RX 6700 XT. These cards have what the new mid-range lacks, a future. They have the memory buffer to actually handle the games of 2026 and beyond. The industry thinks we are stupid. They think we only look at the fancy graphs in their marketing presentations. But we look at the specs, we look at the bus width, we look at the VRAM, and we see the scam for what it is. The mid-range isn't dead because the technology isn't there. It's dead because it's more profitable to kill it. They want to turn PC gaming into a luxury hobby for the elite. But as long as we keep buying smart, as long as we keep supporting the legends of the past over the scams of the present, they can't win. I'm building this channel to be a voice for the gamers who are tired of being treated like a bank account. Based on your feedback, I'm working hard to improve the quality of these videos, so thank you for sticking with me. If you are tired of the corporate greed, if you are tired of being sold e-waste for $300, then you are in the right place. Leave a comment below. What was the last honest mid-range card you ever bought? Was it the 1060? The RX 580? Let's remind these companies what a real value GPU looks like. Don't let them trick you. Build smart, play hard, and I will see you in the next one.